Hi everyone. Today we'd like to talk about the new drone laws for Canada. Yesterday they announced the drone laws in Canada would be changing on June 1st of this year. What does that mean for us? Well, I'll show the pages there that you can go to Transport Canada. They outline all the requirements that you need to do. What the changes are is as of June 1st, you're going to need a pilot certificate. This can be done online. They have a basic and an advanced. Both are the same price of $10. The advanced has some other details in there that you might want to check out if you're interested in that. I decided last night to just do the basic exam, paid my $10. Also, what's going to happen is all your drones between 250 grams and 25 kilograms are all going to have to be registered with Transport Canada. This is going to be another fee that's going to be added, which is going to be $5 per drone. So if you if you own 10 drones, then you'll be looking at paying $50 for those drones. This seems crazy. You know, I got interested in the hobby the end of 2016, purchased a drone and planned on just using it as a hobby to go out, fly around, do some video, do some pictures, and it's been great. It's been fun. A couple of times now the Canadian laws have changed and put in the requirements of what you can do, what you can't do. How far from the airports. I was okay with most of the regulations that they had passed, but now they've changed our hobby. It doesn't seem like it's any longer a hobby. This seems to be another avenue for the government to collect fees from somebody that's trying to enjoy their hobby. There may be some positive parts to this. At this point, I'm not really seeing the positive points to this. If anyone else feels this may be a positive thing, leave your comments. I'd like to hear it. I was pretty upset with this yesterday, but you know, I love to drone, I love to fly. And unfortunately, if I want to continue to do this, I have to do the exam like I did last night and pay my fee. I've yet to register my drones, but now that's my next step, is all my drones that are between 250 grams and 25 kilograms are all going to have to be registered. I mean, a $5 fee isn't that much. Anyways, I would love to hear comments from everybody on what they think of this new idea. I'm concerned about some of the drones out there. For instance, there is a small drone out there that I've done some videos on, the Wingsland S6. This drone is 260 grams. It only flies for between 5 and 6 minutes. I don't understand why a drone, particularly like this one, that basically only goes 100 feet, maybe 100 feet high, would need to be registered with Transport Canada. But anyways, that's what it falls under, that category. So maybe they can be a little more specific with types of drones when it comes to the weight. There's a few of those drones out there. There's the Unique Breeze. The Unique Breeze does not fly any great distance. It's basically a selfie drone, but again, it's between 300 and 400 grams. So that's going to be another drone that if you own it or you plan on buying it, that it's also going to have to be registered with Transport Canada. And with the Wingsland and the Unique Breeze, you're also going to require your basic pilot certificate. So I think they really need to be a little bit more specific on that 250 gram to 25 kilogram. You know, maybe instead of 250 grams, maybe that should be raised up to 500 grams, so that these little pocket drones and smaller selfie drones that really don't go high, really don't go far, that are limited as their capabilities, can be exempt from these new laws. But we'll have to wait and see how the public acts upon this. But anyways, I think that's all we're going to say for now on this subject. I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Please leave some comments, and please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Fly safe.